Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of restricted account on the application of Flow. You will go to settings as you see and you will click here. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of Flow. Here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.